first, the craziest quad riders on the face of the planet. Team North Carolina, Team Florida, Team Georgia, your Quad Wars Riders! And representing for all the lovely ladies out there, and for the Wayne Swing and Recovery Mini Monster Truck Series, hailing from Tappahannock, Virginia, let's hear it for Kinsley and Rettew! And keeping it going for the ladies is her awesome Wayne's Towing Mini Monster Truck teammate. In her first full season of Renegade Monster Truck competition, she hails from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. She's pretty, she's wicked, she's Allie and Renegade! Minis are cool, quads are cool, but Swansboro, I have a question. Who's ready to meet your monster trucks? We're gonna start with the mail truck of mayhem from the metal shop. The dude who last weekend was your overall event champion. From the post office of Delmar, Delaware. Put your hands together for Jordan Fisher and Airman! Introducing next, driving the big blue Ford from Fairfax, Virginia, a three-time Internationals champion, and one of the most classic monster trucks in the circuit today. Ladies and gentlemen from Fairfax, Virginia, put your hands together for Cliff Vowell and the Virginia Giant! Your current reigning overall event champion and your 2025 Wildwood Beast of the Beach champion from Lancaster, Pennsylvania, celebrating his 15th anniversary of competition. Let's hear it for Sunday, Ceejay, Rettew, and Stinger Unleashed. Keeping it going with one of the craziest looking monster trucks in the circuit today. Sitting dead center of our racetrack right there, one of the top drivers in the Renegade Monster Truck Circuit. From Hagerstown, Maryland, put your hands together for R.J. Turner in the War Wizard!
Prepare to know why they call me the Shredder.
And last but certainly not least, the dude who at just 14 years old, making his full-size monster truck driver debut here this afternoon, making history for the first time here in Swansboro, North Carolina, from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the one, the only, Garrett, Rettew, and Shredder! Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, let's hear for all our monster truck superstars! Dragging on the back tailgate. Look at this. Are you serious? Are you serious? Dude, you can't be unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, your two-wheel skills winner is Stinger Unleashed! Hey, dude, that was phenomenal, okay? From last night, with issues that you told me were gonna put you on the trailer for the whole weekend, now you're back out on this track, you come out here with a two-wheel skills win, bro. How awesome is that?
It's awesome. You know, last night we had an awesome night, almost swept the whole event, came out for freestyle, second hit, I ripped the whole wheel off, and we didn't think it was done for the weekend. I got one of the best crews out there, though. We got it back together, ready to rock. My only complaint is the Carolina heat could definitely cool down a little bit. Other than that, it's cooling off, though. These trucks are a lot happier when it's cooler. You guys are going to get a better show, and we're ready to rock tonight.
Now, Ceejay, I gotta ask you, brother, that crazy moonwalk we just saw you do, is that just a little taste of what we can expect in freestyle from you?
I don't want to say too much because I haven't had the big fucking freestyle lately, but I hope so, man. All I've wanted to do the past 2 or 3 months is come out here and lay down an awesome freestyle run, and I'm hoping maybe I can break my curse tonight and do it right here in front of a packed out crowd in Swansboro, North Carolina. How does that sound?
Hey, congratulations, man. One more time, Monsters of fans, let's make some noise for Ceejay, Rettew, and Stinger Unleashed! Vowell did not make the clock. He will unfortunately get a DNF, did not finish. Let's meet today's championship contenders! Introducing you first in the near lane, one of the dark horse superstars here on the Renegade Monster Truck Circuit, a multi-time enrollment champion so far this season. He hails from Hagerstown, Maryland. Put your hands together for R.J. Turner, War Wizard! Next, last night's overall event champion, the two-wheel skills winner from earlier this afternoon, from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Put your hands together for Sunday, Ceejay, Rettew, and Stinger Unleashed. When he takes his helmet off, I want you to get as loud as you can for him because he deserves it, man. Here he is, Ceejay, Rettew, and Stinger Unleashed! You know what, Ceejay? I think it's fair to call this one roller coaster weekend, brother. From truck issues last night, you won the overall, despite all that. Today, you made it out here. You won 2 real skills, and now you won racing. I tell you what, bro, there's an overall event championship trigger flag up for grabs, and you, my friend, are on the top of that list of drivers looking for that flag, man. Congratulations.
Yeah, it feels awesome. Definitely been an emotional weekend for sure. Little upset I got taken out by my little brother, but we ended up, unfortunately, had some damage. I was able to advance, but that's how it goes sometimes, unfortunately. We're going to go back there and get that thing back together so we can get him back out here on the track. I'm just out here having fun. Thankfully, it cooled off. We're ready to have some exciting moments in freestyle and hopefully finish out a freestyle like I've been wanting to for a while now.
Now, I gotta ask you, man, we saw that second round race between you and your brother, Garrett. People were talking on social media what would happen if you two guys faced off, and we saw it right there. How cool was that? How proud are you of your little brother who just took you out, man? He took you out. That's gonna be a proud moment for you as a big brother.
Yeah, I was going to use the excuse that he put me in the slick lane, but I also just won in the slick lane, so there's really no excuse. He just got me off the line. It's awesome. I know I'm going to hear about it on the way home, but I'm coming out with the championship for racing. Better luck next time, I guess.
Hey, you know what? You win some, you lose some. Ceejay, great job out there, man. Ladies and gentlemen, Ceejay Rettew and Singer Unleashed, your racing winner. And over the game she goes. My daddy tells me like clockwork every time. Get dizzy with some Cyclo Donuts. For the people of the world tonight. Oh, nice hit there for Allie. Push me. Kinsley is so excited to be here. She's got family in the stands, and she is not afraid to sing on that Nice move right there. That's the jump that we were talking earlier, where she hit that crazy big air, got the straight right down that fence. freestyle winner is War Wrestler! Winner is Stinger Unleashed!